Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for running up. Thanks for all the subscribers. Thanks for just everybody. We're getting there. The link is on my channel. Go run up the store now. J2 Pets. Get all your pet needs there now. 10% off for everybody who signs up now. The clothing line thing is up, but there's a couple technical hitches, so that should be sorted soon. On the road to monetization very soon. Your boy's doing it. Love you all. This one we'll be talking about flat earth, yeah? Not gonna lie, I've heard this going for a while. Me personally, I don't know anymore. Because nowadays, you can't trust anything, fam. Everything we thought was we thought we knew is a lie, fam. Shakespeare didn't even write the plays, it turns out, there's so much stuff. So much stuff. But on this channel, we're gonna educate you. We're gonna uncover everything to cities, underground cities. Elon Musk didn't even invent half this stuff. He just bought it. I mean, we're gonna do it all on this channel, all of it. So this one, what's it? Lord I can't even say. Lord Jabbar, he was on a podcast. I think this is an old one anyway. And he's talking about flat earth. And what he says on here, I mean, do your own research in it. That's all I would say. Do your own research. But what he says is very interesting. That's what I will always say is when people say, all these conspiracy theories and that, I'm always open to listening. I'm not going to take everything in, believe everything. But I like having the conversations, debates. And, if it sounds good or whatever and you've got facts to prove what you're saying, I'm more than happy to listen and then do my own research. But I just thought this was interesting because a lot of people are saying that there's another islands behind the glaciers in the Antarctic, and they're hiding it and no one's ever gone out of space and stuff. So let's get into it.
Lord Jamar is a flat earther, everyone. Why are you a flat earther, sir?
Because it's ridiculous to think that someone can live on a ball, to think that water could wrap itself around a spinning ball, to think that people could be on the bottom of a fucking ball and be upside down because some magical thing called gravity is allowing it to happen.
So the water should be pouring into space then?
Everything should be pulled into space, into the so-called vacuum of space if there's no covering. If we have no covering, our atmosphere, our waters, everything should be sucked into.
So you think we're in a dome?
Absolutely. Although, see...
Let me know in your comments what you think as well. What do you feel? Do you think we're living in a dome? Do you think we're living in a firmament? Do you think it's flat earth? Let me know in the comments.
Here's the thing.
Oh, shit. You never heard this shit, huh?
Hey.
Explain.
Here's the thing, right? There's certain things that they don't allow you to explore, right? So there's certain things that I can't prove. I can't go up there. I'm not allowed to go up there and touch this. You understand what I'm saying?
Right.
So this is only what I can surmise, especially from thousands of years, because only 500 years ago did they come with this whole heliocentric model. All the different civilizations prior to that knew that we lived on a level plane. Okay, water always finds its what?
Level.
Exactly. Water always needs a what? A container. You see?
Yeah.
I can't have this drink on the outside of my cup. It must be on the inside of my cup. It must have a container. Okay? So there's no way that water could just stick to the outside of a spinning ball. Think about it. Right. Where's the 1,000-mile-an-hour?
What I would say as well, this whole Elon Musk thing when he's going into space and stuff, I'm not saying he's right, I'm not saying he's wrong, but when I've seen the Elon Musk launches and stuff, it just looks too, to me it looks too CGI, it looks too clean, to me it just seems a bit fake. That's my personal opinion. When I saw some of Elon Musk's launches and stuff like that, it just looked a bit, especially because I'm a sci-fi guy, I love sci-fi, it just looks a bit too, I don't know, and I don't trust Elon. The thing about Elon, I just don't trust.
Because it's on an axis, and it's on an axis.
So listen, not just a ball that's like this. It's a ball like supposedly like this.
Oh,
And
yeah,
that
on an
axis also equals to 666. But that's
What?
Oh yeah, that's some whole other shit.
What the fuck?
Yes, sir.
Axis of evil?
Anyway,
Damn.
so now you're on an axis,
shit.
and then supposedly have land masses that are going on the top, on the side, and on the down under, right? They
Right.
call it down under for a reason.
Right.
So do you believe that people are upside down right now in Australia, and that rain goes up instead of down? It rains up in Australia, and people are upside down, or in different parts of the planet, we're sideways. We're walking, we're sideways as we,
That's a good point.
Like Inception.
Do you believe that planes are landing on moving runways? Why can't I go up in a helicopter for an hour if the world is spinning? Why can't I hover for an hour and come back down and be somewhere else?
Damn. That makes sense.
No, it does make sense.
It does, but this is what I heard. I was talking to a former fighter pilot, and they get up to 50,000 feet, like 20,000 something more feet. And I said, do you see the curvature of the earth? He says, yes, we do.
He's lying to you. He's a Mason. I guarantee it.
Damn.
I guarantee you this guy is a Mason.
Really?
Because I have footage where as high as you go, you always see a level plane.
Really?
You always see a level plane. As high as the observer goes, there is always a level plane. There is no curvature. There should be, by Pythagorean's theory, right? There should be 8 inches of curvature per square mile. Visible curvature that you see.
Damn.
We do not see such curvature, sir. This is some bullshit.
And also to highlight this point that he's making as well, there's videos. I may do a part 2 depending how this video goes. If we can get this video up to, let's say 100 likes, I'll do a part 2. A guy went on the plane and used an equalizer because builders use equalizers to get the measurements 100% right, and where the ball is on the equalizer, it shows if it's wonky or whatever. And he took an equalizer on the plane and he videoed it, and the bubble didn't move. And there's another guy who took a photo. I forgot what the machine's called, but builders use a special type of camera to accurately get the lines right when they're doing building work. And he used this on the ocean level, and he basically used that to try and get the angles right, like to see if there was any curvature. There was none. So I don't know, man. I don't know.
That they use to create, basically to take God out of the equation.
So-
let me ask you something.
Yes.
The Big Bang Theory. When's the last time an explosion, which usually
that's
destroys
true.
things, created something?
Billions of years ago.
No, because that's what they told you.
Told us, right. That's
When can I do an experiment? Right now, they're doing a Hadron Collider, trying to fucking find the God particle, because they're trying to find creation out of destruction, and you never will, because it was a lie.
Shit. So how did is the solar system real? Do we have planets, or is it bullshit?
It's bullshit.
Because
Let me tell you
wait,
this.
what do we got? What do we got? Thank you.
Right, I won't play it all, copyright and all that, but I thought that was interesting. Go check it out yourself. You want to see the video, what the video is called. There you go. But I thought that was interesting. And another point is, well, even with Darwin theory, when you got the evolution, all of that, and I always used to say to people, like, supposedly we came from monkeys. Supposedly fish came out of the ocean, grew legs and started walking. But then I'm like, why is this not happening now? If this evolution was so, this is where we all came from, supposedly, why is it not happening now? So let me know what you think in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you want a part 2 with a little more depth and me breaking down other videos that I've seen about the flat earth, run this thing up, 500 likes, and we'll do it, bro. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think.